Welcome to another episode of Selling Cabo Sunset. I'm Renovation, your Cabo Realtor with Ronnie Ball Real Estate here in Cabo San Lucas. Today we are in the master plan community of Punta Ballena in Las Residencias at Casa Estrella. Casa Estrella was built back in 2006, recently renovated. We have a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. And has marble floors throughout, an amazing kitchen. And just over 6,700 square feet of total construction and 5,300 square feet of AC space. The beautiful thing about Casa Estrella is it gets a lot of sun exposure during the day, so you can either hang out by your own pool, or you can also go down to the beach club, which does come with a membership, and there's also beach access. Residents also within Las Residencias have access to multiple restaurants, a 5-star resort, there's walking trails, tennis courts, again, all part of the membership, but there is plenty to do here in the community. But enough about that, let's go check out the bar. As I mentioned earlier, the house was recently renovated, which included this beautiful bar area. It's perfect setting for watching the game, the sunset, hanging out by the pool, and just having a chill evening here with your friends. Casa Estrella is listed at $2.5 million. I'm Renee Sir, your Cabo Realtor with Ronnie Ball Real Estate. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode.